Hi guys, Ben James here. Welcome to another video, and this is just going to be a short video to show you how this system can work for you and help you make money online. This is a Clickbank tutorial for affiliate marketers out there. So if that's you, this may be a really good video for you to watch and just see that how you can actually really utilize this system that I'm using to make some money online. Now, a lot of people email me and come in and say, Ben, how do I start? Where do I get started? What's the best products to sell and all that kind of thing? Um, and look, I've touched on that in other videos, but this video so much is just a little bit about showing you results, showing you that it can happen, and showing you just a basic system on how to do that, just step by step. So with that done, let's go into what this video will. Let's go into step one, okay? So first up, guys, it's all about building a subscriber list, okay? I've started up another account here and just started building this. Um, it's been about probably a week. Yeah, it would be a week now. Um, so, you know, it's about getting your subscribers through a funnel, through a sales page, through building a sales page and a landing page, and then taking them to those affiliate offers there through your email list and introducing them to those offers that are good offers. Now, when I say offers, they're offers that you've obviously bought into yourself and found the value that's in them. Don't go and promote something that you don't know nothing about. That would be the worst thing to do, because if your subscribers get a really bad result when they purchase this system, then they're not going to hang around. They're going to want a refund. They're not going to hang around at all. They're not going to get the results. Okay. So it's really important that you promote the right products. But just to show you, so there's been 1,300 subscribers in this new account. And 16 ads to 150 yesterday. So if we go over to here to my tracking pixel, I've got traffic running to these pages. Okay, so today we've had 64. Let me refresh that. Maybe we've had a little more. Okay, no, nothing yet. But there's going to be, I think, that will climb that number over time, the next few days. But I've got a funnel running here where people will go to that opt-in page. As you can see there, there's been 18 people that have opted in out of 64. It's a 28%. Testing a new opt-in page, I do like to be in the 30s. So then they will go to a thank you page here and get more information about what they're about to buy into, and then I will have a link to my affiliate link on the back end. Okay, so that's how I set it up through ClickMagick, so I can track and see who's going through, how it's all going, and then on the back end in my email section, they are added in here. And as you can see, yesterday was a bit bigger day, but I just want to show you from yesterday and the last 3 days results, because I've only set this up in the last 6 to 7 days, and there's been an offer that I've promoted just in the last 5 days. Okay, once I set it up a couple of days and then started running traffic to it. I had traffic running to it here the other day, and then I've reset everything back to zero and started a new another traffic sort of vendor. So, but yeah, just to show you, just if you come over here to my ClickBank one, and we'll just quickly refresh this, so you know it's real. Continue refresh. Okay, so that just refreshed there, and as you can see, guys, here is $1,417, $1,478.17. Okay, I'm just blurring out some of this, guys, because there's private information in here from some of the people that have bought, and last names and so forth, and some of the products I'm promoting, which, they're things I've tested over time to work for me. You need to test some products in your own ClickBank account, okay? And other offers with other affiliate accounts that work for you. But as you can see there, in those last 5 to 6 days, there has been a $1,400 in sales, $1,500 just about, and thereabouts, averaging around about, yeah, so that would be around about, take off the ad cost, which is around $300. So around about definitely clearing 1,000 for that week, and that's only in the 5 or 6 days. Okay, so how did I do all this? How did I set it all up? Well, it's pretty straightforward and it's not rocket science. But basically, what you need to do is just go to the offer section in ClickBank or Warrior Plus or somewhere like that and see what's selling well. Have a look at what's ranking and what's selling well, um, and what seems to be the offers that that seem to be getting the great results and great attention, and test a couple out. Okay, you need to test a couple of these out. Now, if I go to Warrior Plus, there might be some there. I've started an account there. It's not hard to start an account, so you can just log in here, and we'll just see here some of the offers. We go to offers. Sorry, offers. We go to here. Down here, we can see here there's secret email system here, passive profit funnels. Average sale is $34. Very, very low, if any refunds. They've already had 1,000+ visitors. So, your visitor value is around 245. Anything over above $2 is really good. So you would go here and request to be an affiliate or to promote that product. Okay. You just go here and say request approval, and a couple of notes. I'm wanting to promote this through YouTube or through solo ads or whatever. Okay, so you come over here. So this is with Warrior Plus. This is another one if you're not familiar there, and I just highly suggest you go and join. And then if you want to pick out a product with Clickbank, then you can just come over here, create an account. Now, I'm assuming you've already got an account. You're looking what you're wanting to do with selling affiliate products, because this would be a great place to start, and it's a really, really good place to start where you want to pick some products in here. Okay, so come over here, create an account, get your username. Okay, you'll get in a username, and that will be your affiliate ID. So if someone buys a product through there, you get to earn the commissions on that. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, create a landing page. Create a landing page, and let me show you really quickly what a landing page might look like. Let's just have a look at this. And again, this is just one I'm testing at the moment. I don't think it may work really well, and it may not, but it seems to be getting close to 30% opt-in anyway. So get your landing page, make sure that's all hooked up through ClickFunnels. And if you're wondering what ClickFunnels is, you can click the link in my description down below, and you'll be able to find that ClickFunnels. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll be able to find that 14 free-day trial. Okay, so you can settle that up. And let me know if you go through my link down below. Reach out to me, just so then I signed up, and I'll be able to help you sort of get you going. So, guys, is it possible? Can you get results with this system? Absolutely, but you need to set things up in an organised, coordinated way, and then you can follow up with people on the back end here inside your list. Now, these are just some subscribers. This is literally the subscribers I've had in the last few days, inside the last week. And that's how I've been able to make that $1,400, okay, or that $1,000 or $1,100 clear above and beyond traffic. So, does it get results? Absolutely. I encourage you to click the link below, watch the full training on this, and see how it works. Okay, see how others are having success with it. I really, really encourage you to go and check this out. It's rock solid. All it takes for you is to just put some things in place, follow the 3-step simple training that's involved in here. Sign up, get started as soon as you can, make that initial investment, and get your business off and running, and you can be earning commissions in no time flat. Okay, so you need to just go through the process, follow every step of the training down below. So click that button below if you want to learn more, and you can be started by as early as today or tonight, getting online, getting things set up, and get going. Okay, with the training that's on the next page. Thanks for listening to this. If you got value, please subscribe, comment, ask me questions, ring the bell. But thanks for listening, guys, and I hope you got something out of this. And I want to talk to you on the other side. Hopefully, you can show me your results. Thanks again.